Hello, Sim Tech Buzz. We're back with the new Arctis Nova 5 wireless headphones. Companion apps, you've a quick switch between 2.4 and BT, Neodymium Magnetic Drivers. Works on PC, PlayStation, Switch and mobile. And that's your dongle there, up to 60 hours battery life. Pretty cool, and you will get that. And #1 wireless gaming headset. All the accolades here on the side. And on the back, you've got the app here. So, what you do is, you find your app, you download it, and it's going to start looking for your device when we turn around, obviously. So, I'll just show you that. And you can see there, you've got 100 plus game audio presets, App Store, both on Android and iOS. And you've got the magnetic drivers, quick switch wireless. You can swap between 2.4, Bluetooth 5.3. So you can use two devices, take calls, the whole lot. Everything is cool and a durable design. So let's have a look. The box was a bit bashed when it came, which is nothing new lately of the local post. So we'll get it out. So we've got the headphones first, and a nice designed box there. So you've got loads of extra stuff in here. And you'll see there, microphone positioning, which you'll see. So I'll just move that out of the way as well. And you get the Arctis app there by scanning that. Inside you'll find this little dongle, which is pretty cool. So you can connect that to whatever device you want to use it with. You'll get some stickers, your user guide, and 2 extra cables for charging and so on. So that's kind of reverse USB there. USB-C, USB-C, USB-A, and USB-A there too. So that's basically what you're going to get in the box. So we'll just pop that to one side for a moment and show you the headphones. So you've got one of these sleeves. Whoops, and this is it here. So very light, nice kind of soft finish here. You've got your extendable mic here, which is cool. So as you would have seen in that picture there, you'll want to turn that around this way. It's got each side there, so that's what's going to look like on. Got this little headband here. They are comfortable, and it's soft kind of finish here as well, up on top of the headband. And the cups do extend, and there's no ratchet noise around there like that, because there's no ratchets in it, I don't think, but it's a very solid fixture there. They move in and out and they turn like so. All good is there. Nice deep cups marked left and right. On this side you've got your charging port, and you've got your switch, your power on and pairing, your mute mic here, and your volume toggle here. So next up I want to show you what the app will look like. So when you open app, you'll select what you want to connect it, and you'll go here and get your device ready and start pairing. So when paired up, this is what the app is going to look like here. So you got your Bluetooth modes here, or 2.4, and you press this key where you can hear that. And that's what you're going to get there. So you've got your presets in here. Your microphone, you can see there that the volume is up, it's playing. You can also change your tracks and skip and play and all that through this power button here. You've got your LED brightness too, which you can turn up or down. Your side tone, you've got your volume. You've got your volume limiter, which you can turn on or off for extended range as well. So in here then is where you'll have all these other features inside. So you have lots going on there to pick from, which is cool. You can customize, you've got sonar, and you can research, or you can search there as well. And that's what you have there to pick from, basically. That's just how it is, and how to set them up, and how simple it is. Pretty much the same on your PC or whatever console you might be using. And that's about it there. So if you can see here, if you go in here, you can play and pause your tracks there and skip and reverse by toggling this 2 or 3 times, or 1 or twice, whichever setting you want. and you can use it as a normal pair of headphones, which sounds pretty good as well. So that's just a quick overview of the Arctis Nova 5, the latest from SteelSeries. Pretty nice, cool headset, nice and light. Of course, you can adjust these straps here for your head strap too. These cups are removable and they just pull off like that. And if you have any problems with the headset, you can pull this off as well. There's a reset button underneath. It's the smallest hole that's there too, and that's just in case you encounter any issues. And overall, really good gaming headset all around for the price. Really nice, and again, they're one of the noted brands for the gaming headsets. And what you've got on offer there with the app as well, and that's pretty much what you've got in here. And in your settings, you've got your firmware, power options, reset, factory defaults, all that kind of stuff in there. And again, you can just toggle between either. So if you connect your laptop as well, just by pressing this with the dongle plugged in, you connect straight across. Pretty simple like that. And that's the hot switch key there. And as you would see in there, the audio mode just switches over like that. Pretty simple. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.